Prior to our hearing in San Diego Family Court, we had a hearing in St. Joseph, Missouri. It was a petition for custody of our granddaughter we had been raising for 59 months. The paper you are looking at right now, this is lines 1 and 2 of page 12 of Edlene Mckenzie's report. These lines will be enlarged in the next 2 frames. They say, this custody action was ultimately decided in favor of the father, and that is when Little Bug was sent to live with her mother. Well, that is not correct. That was a lie. The truth is, the hearing in St. Joseph, Missouri was dismissed for jurisdiction reasons, and we'll be showing you that. Our court hearing was supposed to be May 11th of 2005 in San Diego. But one day before court, we received Edlene C. Mckenzie's report, and we didn't have time to subpoena her records or to cross-examine them. And cross-examination is not allowed in David Oberholzer's courtroom. So we didn't have an opportunity for due process. This is a declaration. It is the judgment of dismissal. This particular page is the first page of 2 pages sent to us by Lansby Davis of St. Joseph, Missouri, who represented us in our petition for custody of Little Bug, whom we had raised for 59 months. This page has no reference to the cause of dismissal. However, the page we're looking at now, which is the second page, says the court is without jurisdiction to proceed in this cause. And below it, outlined in gray, it says order of child custody, visitation, and child support is dismissed for want of jurisdiction. I recognize that the font is small, so I have enlarged that. Again, it says visitation and child support is dismissed for want of jurisdiction. This is a letter from our attorney, Thomas Marshall, addressed to Richard Peterson, Edlene Mckenzie, and James Albert. It is in reference to the corrections made in San Diego Family Court by Edlene C. Mckenzie at our May 4th hearing, 2005.
court today.
No, I would just like to make a few corrections. I would ask the court first to see my report into evidence.
I'm going to object to parts of the report. Okay.
Your Honor, I just would like to make a couple of corrections on page 12. First of all, this was brought to my attention by Mr. Marshall, who represents the claimants Ted and Jacqueline Barton. At the top of the page, I refer to an action that went on in St. Joseph, Missouri a year ago. Mr. Marshall brought to my attention that this action was ultimately dismissed by the Missouri court for lack of jurisdiction because the parents had actually entered into a stipulation here in California.
I'm asking for some latitude as far as presenting evidence in that we got the minors' counsel report on Monday. Given the evidence, well, I don't know if there's evidence before me or the fact that Ms. Mckenzie has submitted her report. That may be a distinction without a difference. I don't know.